Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to show you how we can generate songs with the help of AI. So if we to generate a song, we need lyrics. Suppose we have already lyrics, we can create a song. If we do not have lyrics, there is no issue. We can create lyrics with the help of another AI tool that is called ChatGPT. So in the chat GPT, we can give the prompt to the chat GPT and it will create lyrics for our song. And then we need another software that is called suno.com, and we can create our song with the help of this software. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how we can make wedding songs or birthday party songs, whatever the song is. We can create the song of our own choice with the help of this software. Thank you. Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Now today I'm going to show you how we can create songs with the help of AI. So if we have lyrics, then we can create the song. If we do not have the lyrics, and we can create the lyrics with the help of ChatGPT. Now I will open the Chrome, and now here I will type chatgpt.com. Here the text box will appear like this, and I have written here, create a wedding dancing song with lyrics that celebrate joy of marriage. The prompt is here, include fun and playful lines about dancing. The tone should be festive and full of excitement. After that, I have to write here, use a mix of Punjabi, a mix of Punjabi and English phrases. Okay, to make it modern. So this is the prompt. I have written the prompt, create a wedding dancing song with lyrics that celebrate joy of marriage, include fun and playful lines about dancing. The tone should be festive and full of excitement. Use a mix of Punjabi and English phrase to make it modern. After that, I will press the up arrow. Now it will create the lyrics for the song. You can see the lyrics has already been created. Now I will copy these lyrics from here. I will copy all the these lyrics, and then I will open the another software that is called Suno.com. So I will press here. I will skip this, and I will again skip this. I will again skip this and press here. Now here I can paste the lyrics. Look, I have pasted the lyrics. Now after pasting the lyrics, it has given me the option of style. Now in the style option, I can choose the singer, whether it is male or it is female, it is male or female. I can write here male singer, male singer. Okay, I can write here having good voice. Okay, having good voice. After that, I can select the title of the song. The title of the song I will select here, wedding song. wedding song. Okay, I have written the title here, wedding song, and the style is male singer having good voice. And after writing this, I will press here create. Now it will create a song. We have to wait for some time. It will create a song for us. So I will tell you one more thing. Now here we will get 50 credits every day. That is, per day we can create 10 songs and 5 credits for each song. That is, we can create 10 songs free per day. So look, it is creating the songs. So we have to wait for 5 seconds. If I will try to play this song.
Here's a fast Punjabi, hey ਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਬੂ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਬਾਬਾ ਦੇ ਦਾਦੀ ਦਾ ਵਾਇਬਰ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਾਚੋ ਵੇ
It has created a song for us.
ਅੱਜ ਸਜਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਲ ਚੰਬੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਿਤਾਰਾ ਬਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਘੁੰਮਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਮਿਲਣ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੈਫਟਰ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਰੰਗੋਂ ਦਾ ਮੇਲਾ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾ ਦੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਖਿਲਾ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਕੰਕਲਾ ਦੇ ਡੀਜੇ ਬਜਾ ਦੇ ਓ ਨੱਚ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਵੈਡਿੰਗ ਡੀਜੇ
And it has created another version also like this.
Here's a festive Punjabi English water dance song that's playful, full of celebration, and perfect for dancing at a shadi. The goal shuru hoya, DJ wale babu, volume bada de. Shadi da vibe, aaya, wo sare nacho ve. Aaj sajda ma fil, chanke jive sitara, ride at the groom da.
It has created songs. So this is the procedure how we can create song. We can also download this song. We have go to here on the 3 dots. We can download it here. We can share it to somebody to whom we want to share. And this is the procedure here. So this is the procedure how we can create songs. We can create lyrics from ChatGPT. We can take the help of the ChatGPT. Then those lyrics we have to copy here, and then we can make the beautiful songs with the help of this Suno application, this Suno software. So I hope you find this information useful. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.